In this video, I'm going to help you understand why you need Google Analytics set up on your website. My name is Sarah Thornburg, and I'm here to help you demystify digital marketing, SEO, and online strategy. Google Analytics is a free tool provided by Google to allow you to track what happens after visitors reach your website. Once you install Google Analytics tracking code to your site, you'll have access to a ton of insights like how many users visit your site, what pages they visit, how long they linger, and more. Probably too much information, but more is more, right? I recommend against using the site stats available on the CMS platform since it's often unclear exactly what is being tracked or how. This is the dashboard that displays within GoDaddy's CMS platform. This is a very limited amount of statistics available. You can see only one metric, visitors, over a period of time, but it's unclear if these are unique visitors, returning visitors, sessions, page views, and so on. What if you wanted to know how many visitors access your site using a mobile device, or where in the world these visitors are located? This type of information and more is available within Google Analytics. Another thing I like about Google Analytics is it'll work on just about any CMS platform you choose, like WordPress, Squarespace, Weebly, Wix, GoDaddy, or most others. If you decide to move your website away from one platform to another, you will still have all the historic data from the previous platform all in one place. This makes it super easy when you want to analyze or compare your site data before and after a big change is made. Google makes setting up Google Analytics on your site super quick and easy. I've included a bunch of resources for you to get started with Google Analytics over on my website. If you found this information useful and would like to be alerted to any future blogs or videos about Google Analytics, please sign up for my email list. Also, please comment down below if you have any additional questions after watching this video. My goal is to create more valuable information to help you demystify digital marketing, SEO, and online strategy.